Hey guys, we are doing smoked tortilla chicken soup on the Recteq. Come over here and I'll show you what we're working with. So I put this Dutch oven in here. I got the Recteq set at about 400 degrees. Put about a tablespoon of olive oil in there, and we're gonna put these onions in there, and we're gonna put these jalapenos in there with it as well. So we're gonna let that soften for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add some of the other ingredients. All right, we're gonna add our 2 cloves of garlic. Once you put the garlic in there, let it sit for about 30 seconds just to kind of start bringing that aroma, whatever. You know what? The aroma. We're gonna start putting our spices in, okay? So what we're doing is I have a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper. That's gonna go right in there. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Teaspoon of cumin, whatever. Goes in there. And then 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Boom, lost some, my fault. We're going 4 cups of chicken broth. 1 can, 15-ounce can of black beans, sweet corn, 15 ounces, juice it too, some chipotles and adobo sauce. You can leave the juice in that. Diced tomatoes with the juice. Star of the show. We got about 4 cups of shredded smoked chicken. If you don't know how to smoke a whole chicken, learn how to smoke a whole chicken. You put a whole chicken on your smoker, you smoke it until it's done. Juice 1 whole lime. This is smoked tortilla soup on the Recteq. It's freezing in Texas. It's a great way to warm up. It's actually a great way to warm up anywhere. I'm gonna go warm up.